Welcome Gongers! I'm Debbie Wong and you're watching my new show, Fridge Full of Food, Nothing to Eat. The show where I bust into people's houses, see what they got in their fridge, and make them dinner on the spot. Today, I'm at Melanie and Tom's house, and they got a fridge full of food, nothing to eat. Okay, so here I'm next to Mel and Tom's fridge. This is Melanie here. Hey girl. She's gonna take me through the kitchen. We're gonna see what they got, and I'm gonna make some dinner. Going in. See, yogurt, hummus. What is this? What is this here?
Oh my god, it's apple sauce. That's really old. You shouldn't touch it.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
That's thyme in the bag. I like herbs. Lemons and limes.
Red onion, regular onion.
Oh.
Green bean.
Feeling it?
Condiments.
This is very exciting.
And a lot of film.
Can someone pass me a beer?
Did you dream of me too? Well, fancy that.
You got Arm & Hammer. I can do tons of stuff with that. Fresh. By the way, this is my initial reaction to things, guys. There is no planning whatsoever. What have I gotten myself into?
Hippie house.
Never really felt like this before. Got me on the back foot.
Okay, I raided Melanie and Tom's fridge, and now I'm gonna make them dinner. Tonight's menu is Mediterranean chickpea stew over couscous with a side of a green bean and roasted beet salad with feta. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is roast up the beet. Okay, the beets are in the oven. Next up is the green beans. I've already rinsed them. Now I'm going to cut off the ends. Now we're going to make it really exciting. We're going to add some flavorings. Some tomatoes now, and lucky for me, I have some home canned tomatoes from Tom and Mel's friends here. So as I was stirring, I was like, this needs just one more notch of awesomeness. So I'm gonna bust out my secret ingredient that I didn't bring, okay, that they already have, just saying, I'm not cheating. Apple cider vinegar, boom, right here. I love to add a touch of acid to almost anything I cook. I find that it adds that just next level of brightness. So, here we go. Not too much, just a whoop. That is gonna seem more epic when I add music.
I hope people don't think you're talking about LSD. Makes it seem more bright and colorful.
Okay, couscous time. Couscous is the easiest thing to make. Always 1 to 1. 1 cup couscous, 1 cup liquid. I like to do my couscous in a Tupperware because it comes with a lid. You don't have to mess with plastic wrap. Now I'm going to make the dressing for our beet and green bean salad. I'm going to do a classic vinaigrette with olive oil, Dijon mustard, some vinegar. I'm using rice vinegar because I want it to be a little bit more mellow, and some capers. So let's do it. I got the beets and green beans here. I pulled out the beets after about 25 minutes in the oven. They should be nice and caramelized on the outside and still have a bit of chew to them. I got some julienne red onions here. I'm going to throw that in. Oh, that's so pretty. Mediterranean chickpea stew,
Bam.
holy couscous,
Bam.
roasted beet and green bean salad.
Can't stop the feeling I've got in you. Just give me a chance. I can't stop the feeling
You guys find yourself with a fridge full of food, nothing to eat, give me a shout and I will bust into your kitchen anytime.